Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial how to earn PayPal money just watching videos. Do you want to earn money just watching videos? Do you want to earn money without any hard work? If yes, then complete this tutorial step by step. I will show you on system and on software that will help you to earn PayPal money just watching videos. So guys, let me complete this tutorial first, and after that you can follow this system, follow this method and easily earn PayPal money just watching videos. Okay, let's see the best part of this tutorial. It's 100% real money making system. You can make money on PayPal. It's perfect for anyone. If you are a teenager, if you are a college student, if you are an old people, it doesn't matter. It's perfect for anyone, and I will show you on system and on software that will help you to earn PayPal money just watching videos. And it's 100% beginner friendly. It's open for all over the world, so anyone can do it all over the world, and you don't need any skills, any marketing skills to apply this method. So guys, let me introduce myself first. I am Raju Bhadra. I am an affiliate marketer. Over 9 years I am working here, and it's my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. If you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. If you are a newbie and if you don't know from where you should start your online journey, check my video description and check my number on money making opportunities. Okay, and if you're really interested with affiliate marketing, and if you want to make money over 10,000 per month by affiliate marketing, then check my video description, check my number on money making opportunities, check my traffic opportunities. Okay, now let me show this software, this Os to Profit. This software helps you to earn PayPal money just watching videos, and at the end of this video I will show you how this software works and what you can do using this software. Now let's see the website 7R7 URL short, R7 URL short, and here is the URL here, 7r6.com, 7r6.com. Visit this URL and you see here R7 URL short. It's a website that will help you to short any URL, and if someone hit the URL, click the URL, you can earn PayPal money. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, at the first you have to create your account, then you have to shorten your link, and finally you can earn money. Don't worry, I will show you everything. And you see here, it's what is this R7 URL short. R7 here completely free tool where you can create link short, which apart from being free and you get paid. Then you see here how and how much do I earn. Then you can earn money just watching videos. At the other hand, on the other hand, you can earn money just referring your link, just referring friends, with your friends, family members and other guys. Okay, I will show you how you can get more referral here. And you see here, it's the details and this click per day, this links hit per day, and the registered member here. And if you face any problem, then you can contract with them by sending message. Now let's see the payment proof. Okay, you see this guy make these payments, all the payment proofs here, all the payment proofs here. Okay, now you have to create account on R7 URL short. Just click the sign up button, put your username, your email address, your password, enter the password, and I agree the term and condition, and simply register here. I already create my account here. Now I have to log in here. Okay, it's the dashboard of R7 URL short. Now how you can earn money using this site, and it's 100% free, 100% easy. So guys, if you are a newbie, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter. You can easily apply this system and earn money. You can't make big money, $1,000 and $1,000 per month using this site, but you can make a certain amount of extra bucks that will help you to get more and more opportunities to earn money online, start affiliate marketing. Okay guys, let's see how you have to do it. Visit YouTube and search very funny video. Okay, you see here a lot of funny baby videos here. You can choose any type of videos. Even you can choose health and fitness related videos, bodybuilding videos, any affiliate marketing related videos, as you wish. It's depend on you, but I always recommend you to choose this type of videos which generate more views, million and million views. You have to choose this type of videos. Okay, why? Because when you choose the videos and mask your link, shorten your link, and you share the link for other people's, and if you can share the viral video, if you share the mostly viewed videos, then you get more views, you get more hit on your shorten link, and you can earn PayPal money. So you have to share viral videos, mostly viewed videos. Okay, so if you want to share this video, okay, click the link here and copy the video link, then go this link shortener, new link shortener, just paste this link, and you can funny baby video. Okay, and shorten, click the shorten here, and you have to share this link. Just copy this link and share this link on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest. That's enough. Okay, and you have to share this type of videos, 6 videos per day. I recommend you to, if you want to earn more, little bit more money. Okay, and that's the simple way. Simply visit your Facebook account, search this type of baby funny video related groups, pages, and simply share this YouTube video. That's it. Just you have to shorten your video links using this R7 URL short. That's it. You can't make big money, but you can make a certain amount just following this system. Now let's see how you can use this software, this was to profit software, how this software help you for you or anyone to earn money just tossing videos. Okay, when you get this software, get this app was to profit, inside my video description you can get it. After getting this software, it's the members area, and you can add your social accounts here, you can add your YouTube channel. After all, if you have a YouTube channel and if you want to earn, if you want to get more views, more leads, traffics to your videos, to your YouTube channel, then you can automate it. Okay, this software will help you how you can grow your YouTube channel and get more views, traffics inside your YouTube channel. Now at the first, your first task, you have to get the tutorial. Okay, get this tutorial, how to make money just watching videos. Okay, here is the tutorial number 1. You will get 5 sites here that will help you to earn PayPal money just watching videos, YouTube video and Netflix videos. Okay, these 2 tutorial, just 9 and 5, just 15 minutes you have to complete this tutorial. After that you can get the opportunity how you can earn money, earn PayPal money just watching videos. Okay, then the training here, you can open the training, then you can get a step by step everything inside the training, how you can use this cost to profit apps for growing your YouTube channel, for automating your YouTube channel, and you can add more videos here, you can add more view, clicks, traffic inside this using this cost to profit. Okay, here is the tutorial, to tutorial here, and here is the training. Okay, you can get how you can use this software. Okay, just watch this 3 minutes short tutorial and you can learn everything here. I will show you how you can use it. Then you see here tutorial number 2, you can easily watch it. Okay, and here is the two videos, and inside this video you can get how you can, okay,
in terms of service and
okay, and another video. Okay,
like here. Is very big.
this OS, how you can earn PayPal money just watching videos. Okay, now how you can use this software, use this app. You can add your YouTube channel here, channel manager, click the channel manager, then you can add video manager. Okay, you have to click the social account. Okay, you have to click the social account first, then you have to import your YouTube channel. Click the import channel, go sign in with Google. You have to sign in with Google, and you have to choose your website. You have to choose your YouTube channel here. Okay, click allow, and you can add your YouTube channel inside this cost to profit. Now you can use this app for running your YouTube channel. You see here all the videos, all the views, all the subscribes here. Then you can manage everything using this app, using this short app, and you get everything. If you want to search any videos, you will get all the ideas. Suppose doc training. Okay, search doc training videos. You see all the doc training videos here. You will get all the ideas. You can control your fully YouTube channel here. Even you can add Netflix videos here for getting more views, more traffics. Okay, it's the software. If you want to get this software, then check my video description and check the cost, get the excess of cost to profit, and you will get bonuses with this software, with this app. Okay, so guys, it's the two ways you can earn PayPal money just watching videos. Number one, visit this website 7r6.com, this r7 URL short, and you have to create your account here. Then visit YouTube and find out viral videos. Okay, find out viral videos like this. Even you can use weight loss videos. You can choose any of the weight loss videos. You can choose any of the prank videos. Okay, you can choose any of the prank videos. And the other way, you can use this app to profit, and this app will help you to earn PayPal money just watching videos. Inside the tutorial, inside the training, you can get everything. And if you want to get this app, then check my video description. So guys, that's all the complete tutorial. If you like this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel, Raju Bhadra. A lot of money making opportunities here. I hope you never disappoint to subscribe my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here, traffic opportunities here, affiliate marketing opportunities here. You can check my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you really love this tutorial, love this video, then like it. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and follow this two system to earn PayPal money just watching videos. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Bye.